Are you getting bored? We propose the best antidotes to boredom. Have fun even if it's raining outdoors. Turn a watermelon into a disco ball. Blow up glove balloons and make Coca-Cola soap bubbles. Watch our new video about what to do when you are bored. Redhead is under a tree feeling melancholy, and Dolly is deep in making a pyramid of colorful cups. Boom! And a softball hits the thoroughly made construction. Coat paper cups with different colors of acrylic paint. Make a ball out of a pair of bright socks. The boredom vanishes into thin air. The girls start a competition for striking the most cups at a time. It's a tie! And they keep spirits up for the rest of the day, even when the cup game is forgotten. Dolly is very busy chatting and doesn't pay any attention to her friend. Emma isn't used to being bored, and she has weird glasses for a case like this. Paint round frame sunglasses using yellow nail polish. Take plastic caps of the appropriate size and cut off the rim. Paint the plastic circles yellow. Draw a funny emoji face with a permanent marker. Make 2 different faces. Attach small metallic hinges on top of the frame. Attach the smileys to the hinges. Dolly's got a funny photo and she wants to show it to her friend. But 2 emojis are looking at her instead of Emma. Hey! Her friend lifts up one smiley. There are sunglasses hiding under it. Brilliant idea! We can take awesome selfies. We will get a lot of likes and comments. Summer weather is so changeable. The sun has just shone and the next minute it's cloudy. The sky is gray and it starts raining before you know it. The spirit sinks. Dolly goes back home. The walk is failed. What can I do? I've got an idea. I will show tricks. Voila! And drinks appear on the table. Today, I will finally figure out which of the beverages is the best. But what is it? And Dolly pulls a long drinking straw out of her sleeve like a real magician. Cut off the short part of a drinking straw. Make sure it has a bendy part. Attach the short cutouts to each other. Hot glue the bendy part of one straw to the straight part of another one. Make a long straw out of the small fragments. Bend the straws in turn to get a long zigzag. We attach a regular straw to one side to put it into the bottle. The zigzag straw is a creative and handy device. Even if I sit on top of the back pillows, my straw will still reach the bottle on the table. Phew! There is way too much fluid in my body. I've already drunk half a bottle of each drink, but still have no idea which of the drinks I like the most. Emma and I have a whole collection of glove balloons. Pump up thin rubber gloves of different colors. Fasten them with a balloon stick. Draw hearts and funny faces on the glove balloons. Oops! It started raining! Our glove balloons are becoming popular. And dancing with balloons is a great idea to beat any rainy day boredom. And the weather won't stop us. A disco party can be arranged right on a couch. And what's a party without a disco ball? Wrap a watermelon in foil. Cut foil cardboard into identical squares. Attach them to the watermelon tight to each other. Add smoke effects. And then we turn the lights off and direct a spotlight onto the disco ball. The light is reflected by the mirror squares scattering around. Stop! The party is over. Let's eat a dessert. Cut the disco ball and bite some ripe and juicy watermelon. Each of us waits for the rain to stop in a different way. I drink my cola, and Emma blows soap bubbles. Let's combine cola and bubbles. Pour some dish soap into a bottle of Coca-Cola. Add a little glycerin. Hot glue a bubble wand to the inside of the cap. Now we are blowing Coca-Cola bubbles together, and no rain can make us feel boring. Emma is a huge basketball fan. She supports her favorite team and doesn't understand why Dolly doesn't share her emotions. Emma uses a trick to introduce basketball to her friend. She combines a dessert with a basket. Paint a wide ceramic cup dark orange. Use a sponge to imitate a basketball texture. Use a black permanent marker to draw the pattern like it is on the ball. Paint a square plastic cap white. Add an orange frame. This is a backboard. Use a bubble wand to make a basket. Hot glue a net to the ring. Attach the basket to the backboard. Hot glue the backboard above the cup handle. We put on war paint and start the game. Who will throw more marshmallows into the cup through the ring? Emma aims at the ring carefully. Fire! Bingo! Dolly decides to cheat. She throws a marshmallow right above the cup. The marshmallow flies into the ring or passes by, still hitting the aim. And the girls can dip cookies into cocoa and have a snack during the game. Dolly has taken markers to color a stress-relieving coloring book, and Emma decides to color her friend's t-shirt. Put a piece of cardboard inside a white cotton t-shirt and draw a floral pattern with a pencil. Trace it using a thin black fabric marker. Draw a picture on the back of the t-shirt in the same style. Emma uses fabric markers to color the t-shirt. The black and white pattern on Dolly's t-shirt is getting filled up with colors gradually. My friends made a surprise gift. What's inside of it? Emma barely manages to open the can, and colorful confetti is popping up. Cover 2 identical cans with acrylic paint of pastel shades. Dip a round sponge into different colors and dab the cans, making big dots. Cover the entire surface. Punch holes of different sizes in a pile of colored paper. Let's get colorful confetti. Put it into the can. Fill the second container with pale pink confetti shaped like small circles and big hearts. Add some glitter. Paint the lid and the ring. Hot glue it to the can. The regular rain is over, so we arrange a colorful one. Confetti is way more fun than rain. You won't get wet and keep your spirits up. This boredom is killing Dolly, and Emma brings Nutella to her friend. Hooray! Take spoons, but there is something pink instead of chocolate spread. Melt marshmallows in a microwave. Mix it with starch. Add edible glitter and sprinkles. Put it into a Nutella jar. What is it? Unicorn food? A limited issue of Nutella? It's stretchy and smelling great. This is sweet slime. This Nutella is as good as the real one. The girls really enjoy the weird pink dessert. Redhead keeps looking through her Instagram photos and checking message notifications over and over. And Dolly has already played all the new games on her phone. The girls are sick and tired of their phones. Oops! What is it? It's a mini boxing ring. Attach a thin foam rubber sheet to a square piece of cardboard. Cut out 2 circles for fingers. Attach colored marker caps to the corners. And fasten 2 rows of rubber strings to the poles. Redhead puts the ring onto her finger, and Dolly draws a face on it. And now 2 boxers are fighting to win the super lightweight championship. The fight moves from one place to another, getting pretty serious. The fight keeps on outdoors. Nobody wants to give up, but the main fight is over. Boredom has gone. Did you like our ideas for boring rainy days? Then write in your comments how you will have fun with your friends when it's raining outdoors. Will you make a mini basketball cup? Or construct a paper cup pyramid? Or color a t-shirt with bright markers? And don't forget to give your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss new funny videos on the Troom Troom channel.